Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy A05S and I want to show you how to take long screenshot on this device. Our first step to do that is from main menu we must go to the application which support it. Something like something else have more information than you have on the one side of screen. It can be HardReset.Info website or any website where you can scroll it. And when we are on it, we press volume down and power key together at the same time as to make normal screenshot. And after that we click there. And it is scrolling right now. We can press it. And it is adding some information to our long screenshot. If we have all we need, we click on that. And we have it in our gallery right now. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.